Namaskar dosto, my name is Vikas and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about sketch driven pattern. So in this pattern we use sketch points within a sketch and you can specify a feature pattern on that sketch. So the sketch should contain points so that it can follow the path accordingly. So let's start. So first we need a sketch. So select this surface, go to normal, go to sketch, select sketch, select a line and make a sketch which is to be followed by feature. If we select a feature, so I am creating a shape like this. Okay, fine. So give a dimension to this. Okay, 30, fine, 50. Okay, select this line, give a dimension of 130, 100. Select this and this line, make it equal so that it will be equal in length. Okay, select this and this, make it coincidence. Okay, select this point and this line, again coincidence. Select this and this line, make it collinear. Okay, so now select these all lines and convert this all lines into construction line. Okay, now we need a point where we can put that feature which we are going to pattern. So select a point. I'm putting points here, as you can see. Okay, fine. So we have points on the sketch. Exit. Now go to feature, go to linear pattern command, and here we can find sketch driven pattern. So select this command. Okay, so the sketch is already selected, but delete this, and now we can select a sketch. This sketch we want to follow with the feature command. Now there is two options. As you can see, there is a centroid and selected point. So first we'll see the centroid option. So in this, when we select the feature, so it will follow from the center, like it will consider this feature from the center point of this. So feature and face, so select this feature. As you can see, it is like taking this center point and converting this into like that format. Okay, fine. As you can see, it is like sketch driven pattern because it is like following the sketch with the point within. Okay, now we can edit this and we can see if we select the second option, which is called selected point. So select this selected point, and now we can see how it will affect the sketch driven pattern. So when we select this selected point option, we can have, like, we can select this point, either this point, and let's see how it will affect the pattern command. So first I'm selecting this point. So as you can see, it is working like that. So it will affect this centroid option because the centroid option is following the centroid of this feature command. But when we select the selected point option, it is like coming like that. So again we can clear this and we can select the another point like this point, and let's see. So as you can see, it is following the path like this, and the feature is like different from the centroid one. So this is the difference between the centroid and selected point option. So here I am keeping centroid. Okay, so as you can see, there is a difference between the centroid and selected point option. It will affect the position of the feature. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.